Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all well. We are also well by the grace of Almighty. On behalf of my other team members, I would like to welcome you to our project video presentation. Today, we are going to discuss our project, Tutors Finder System. For building this project, we used Django framework in Python programming language and also used PyCharm IDE. Mainly, this project contains two types of users, which are educators and parents. An educator registers with his desirable subjects, which he will be able to teach the students. He can also select his location where he can find his students. On the other hand, a parent can search for a teacher for his child. Here, he or she can search by their desirable location, then confirm the request towards the teacher. For the users, we offer the following features. Those are search by location, finding subject, home tutors, outside tutors. Last, here we have About Us section where you can see my team members of the project. So, the other team members are Sakib Sizan Khan and Ayman Hasib. Now, I am requesting Ayman Hasib for giving some speech for our project.
Thank you, Jannatu Ferdosiva. I am Ayman Hasib. Now I am going to demonstrate our project. In our project, we can see two types of user. One is educator and another one is parent. So now we are going to parent panel. In this section, we are seeing that there are two options. One is sign up and login. Let us go to the sign up section. Here is the sign up form. We are going to register a user by giving the username, email address, location, contact number, and password. We have to repeat the password for further verification and press the sign up button. Now we are in the login page and give the username again and the password and press the login button. Here we can see the user's personal information, and in this section we can see the username, user ID, email, location, and contact number. After that, the next section is educator search. We will select an educator type and the location for searching and particular educator. We can see a educator information, basic information. If we want to see the details information of this educator, we will go to the educator details section and use the educator type and the educator ID and press the show details button. Now we are seeing the educator details information. And after that, we will go to the update info section and we can update all the basic information of the user. We are changing the location and updating the contact number and giving the password. And confirming the password again and save it. We will get the confirmation message from here. And if we go to the profile section, we will see the update information of the profile details. Now we will go to the send request section. In this section, our desirable educator by using educator type and educator ID. And after that, in show details section, we can see the accepted request from the educator. Now we will log out from this user and go back to the home page. After that, educator panel, we can see two types of signing option for home educator and outside educator, and a login option for the user. We will sign up as a home educator. Here we will fill up the form by giving the username, email address, university, department, and the experience year, which is between 0 to 5 years. And save the location, contact number, and password. And repeat the password for verification. And press the sign up button. Now, a educator will select some subjects and press the button. After that, he will redirect to the login page and give the username and the educator type and the password again for login. Here we can see the full details of his personal information. And after that, we will go to the update info section, which is just like as parent update information. We can update all of his information from this section. Now we are going to the show request section. Here we can see the request from the parent, and the educator can accept those requests by using the parent ID. After that, we will log out from this educator user and go back to the home page. Now I am requesting my another teammate, Sakib Sizan Khan, for completing the final presentation of our project.
Thank you, Ayman Hasib. I'm Sakib Sijan Khan. Now I'm showing how to give a request from parent to educator from this website. So firstly, I log into an account. I using my name, username, and password. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake. Password is. So I log into this account and I search an educator for desirable educators, just like I choose this educator for give a request to this educator. Then this ID is 6, and I just go to the send request section and select the educator type and ID number, then confirm the request. So here we see the message request is sent. Then I log out from this user and go to home and I log into an educator. Firstly, I give the educator name and educator type and the password. I log into this individual educator, and in show request section, I see the request from the user, from the parent user. And if I want to confirm it, I just use the parent ID. Just type the parent ID and accept the request. The request is accepted, and I log out from this section and go to home again, and I log into the parent account again. Password login, and in show deal section I see the educator who accept my request. So that's how our project is work like that, and you can find our project link in our GitHub. I mentioned this to our description. Thank you for watching.